Welcome to Vaya Homes. This is sleek rectangular mobile home that instantly draws attention owing to its futuristic aesthetic and clean white exterior. Designed to be an elegant space for you to live in and spend your everyday moments in, Vaya has a compact and comfortable size that can be extended. Amped with a patented unfolding system, Vaya can extend up to 2 times its original size. And if you choose to utilize the folding awning, it can, in fact, increase to 3 times its original size. Vaya's flexibility and modularity make it a great option if you're constantly moving to different locations and have a large family. A fully functional outdoor kitchen is built into the sheathing of the mobile porch, which electromechanically brought itself into working readiness. The living room and bedroom are designed with attention to detail in favor of convenience and functionality. The discrete LED lighting turns on remotely and by motion sensors. The soft corner sofa in the living area transforms into a comfortable guest bedroom. The bathroom is small but intelligently designed. The bedroom offers plenty of storage and ample places to rest for a good night's sleep.